So by this, I got this plain cake order, but honestly, I was damn tired of creaming and creaming my butter and sugar and all that. I don't want to go through that process because I was going to use my hands because, like I told you guys, I don't have a mixer anymore. So, and I tried to just use this method to make this cake. This is also known as the reverse method of baking. So first I measured out 126 grams of margarine or butter, 126 grams of flour, 126 grams of sugar, then added half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I just used my hand to combine everything just as you see. Then I added two large eggs, which also makes up 126 grams. Added my coffee flavor and added my combo flavor. Then I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, added half tablespoon of white vinegar. Then I just used this my hand whisk just to whisk everything up together. And this whisking didn't take me up to 5 minutes. I just tried to make sure that I just whisk up everything just to combine very well, and that's all. It didn't take me much time. Okay, so after whisking up, I just added 2 tablespoons of water. If you have milk, you can replace this water with 2 tablespoons of liquid milk. Okay, but I don't have milk at that moment, so I had to use water, 2 tablespoons of water. Then I just incorporated the water into the batter very well, and it didn't take me up to few seconds to do that, and my cake batter was ready. Then I had to transfer this into my greased 6 inches bowl or pan, and I had 468 grams, although I had extra one cupcake for me though. Then I tapped the base of the pan on my work surface to ease out air and level out the batter, and I baked this in my preheated oven at 150 degrees C for up to 40 to 50 minutes or until my cake is completely baked. You can bake according to your oven temperature, fine. So my cake was ready. As you can see, this cake came out very fluffy, and nobody will ever tell you if someone tell you that I didn't cream butter and sugar for this cake, you will never believe it. To be honest with you, you will never believe it. It's so soft, so moist, it's very fluffy, and the good part of it is that the review I got from this cake, it was mind blowing. Like my my client was so happy about the cake. You understand? And also when I tested the cupcake, one of the cupcake that came out, it tasted amazing. So I pleaded my client that please let me just slice through this cake so I can show my people how the inside of the cake looks. So I wrap the cake then so that it will not dry. This is Harmattan season. So this is how the inside of the cake look. You see, it's very spongy or very fluffy and moist. So guys, I would like you to try this recipe. Honestly, this is the easiest of buttercream cake you can ever try, and you will not stress yourself that much. Okay, so I hope you'll be trying this. At least when you do, don't forget to let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, because I know it's going to turn out amazing. So I went ahead, packaged my cake for my client. Thank you for this my awesome client for accepting me to just slice through this cake to show you all. I love you, my clients, and I love you, all my followers and my subscribers. Thanks, everyone. I see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Thanks, thanks, thanks. So please, guys, follow me on all my social media handles at The Variety Chef.